Connecticut's faith-based pregnancy centers are denying claims that their website advertising is false, misleading, or deceptive.
NARAL Pro-Choice Connecticut says the faith-based centers use deceptive advertising to discourage women from terminating their pregnancy. Chief political correspondent Mark Davis joins us live with more on this. Mark.
Hi, Anna Scott. Good evening, everyone from the Hartford Newsroom. There are now more faith-based crisis pregnancy centers in Connecticut than there are abortion providers. Abortion providers number just 17. There are about 24 faith-based pregnancy centers throughout the state that could potentially be affected by a proposed law that would prohibit, quote, deceptive advertising practices by limited pregnancy centers, close quote. Pro-choice advocates say online advertisements like this one that say, quote, considering abortion, CareNet is your first step, are a problem.
I think that if people are saying very clearly that if someone is looking for an abortion, that they should come to see them, and yet they enter an organization that is deliberately opposed to abortion.
CareNet points out that their website ads say on every page that they do not provide abortion services, nor do they refer for them.
My center has been open for 25 years, and in the 25 years there's not been a single case filed against us for false advertising.
Supporters of the faith-based centers came out in large numbers today, many bringing their children, to say the law would be unfair and is just not needed.
This is very clearly, just an act of discrimination against these centers because they're opposed to their belief system.
Connecticut's new Attorney General William Tong says the proposal is worded almost exactly like a San Francisco city ordinance that has survived a federal court challenge, and that it's a simple consumer protection law.
It simply says that anyone operating here in the state of Connecticut, if you operate a limited services pregnancy center, that you should do so honestly and transparently.
Now, the new Attorney General, William Tong there, says that some of the messages on these websites are, quote, possibly misleading, close quote, but an absolute determination would have to be made by a judge and jury in a court case. Live from the Hartford Newsroom, Mark Davis, News 8.